Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make easy green mango pickle. So let's get started.
I've got here 6 green mangoes which I have washed and dried well, 1 cup of raw sugar, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, half a cup of oil, half a cup of ready pickle mix. This is what it looks like. You can get it from any Indian shop. It comes with a plastic inside, so just take the required amount out, close the packet and put it in the fridge, and it should last you for up to 12 months. 1 tablespoon of turmeric and 1/4 cup of salt. Place a chopping board on top of a folded tea towel to stop it from moving. Take 1 mango at a time, cut the stem side off and cut it in half. Remove the seeds. Just be careful when you remove the seeds. You do not want to poke yourself with the knife. Cut it in half and into quarters. And repeat this with the remaining mangoes and put them in a dish. I have finished cutting up all my mangoes. Cover your pickle mix and your oil and put it aside. Take the cut mango pieces, add salt, turmeric, vinegar, sugar and mix it well. Cover it and let it rest overnight. In the morning you will see that a lot of liquid has come out of the mangoes. Give the mangoes a good mix. We need to drain all this liquid now. So put the lid back on, take another dish and drain all the liquid into this dish. We do not need this liquid, so you can throw this away. Now take your cut mango pieces, give it a mix again, as there will be some sugar crystals in the bottom. But if you want your mango pickle to be sweet, you can add extra half a cup of sugar at this stage. Mix it well if you're going to add extra sugar and put it in the sun to dry for 3 hours, giving it a mix every now and then. After 3 hours, bring the mangoes inside and it's time to get the pickles ready. Take your pickle masala and add it to the mangoes and mix it well. Now put this aside while we get our oil ready. Take a small fry pan, put it on medium heat, add oil and heat it. When the oil gets hot, turn the heat off and add it to the mangoes and mix it well. My pickle is ready. Let me dish it out and show you. My green mango pickle is ready. Keep it in a sealed container and save it with your favorite curries. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.